flag ba sa'yo ang short-term relationships? Ako, I've never had
Wait,
short-term relationships.
can we define?
Oh, sige.
Can we define short-term relationships?
Alam mo yung, for me, ito siya, parang, medyo same siya with yung situationships, like what's happening in the background. For me kasi pag short-term relationship, parang ano lang siya, may something ka na gustong makuha through that person. But like, yung future mo with that person, you don't see it.
So more intuition based,
I guess.
I guess, for you.
Oo, parang ano lang, okay kami ngayon, tas bukas, di ko alam, baka ayoko na sa kanya bukas.
Okay. So, ito yung mga like
Yeah.
flings.
Flings, ganyan.
But we can also put situationships
yun
in it.
nga, oo.
Yeah.
So, for me kasi, if not, at least seeing your future with that person, it's not a long-term relationship.
Okay, gets. Okay. So that's okay, sige. We can settle with that. With that,
yun lang.
For,
If yung item na yun, I know for you. For me, it's not a long-term relationship.
okay. So that's our definition.
Oh,
So is it a red flag?
short-term.
For me,
Sabi sa'yo, hot takes tayo tonight.
is it a red flag? Short-term.
Red flag ba sa'yo yung short-term relationship?
Okay. No. I was about to cop out and say it depends. But I'm just gonna outright say na it's not a red flag.
Okay, why?
Okay. Even though we're in a long-term relationships, short-term relationships allow you to grow. Not saying long-term relationships don't allow you to grow, but short-term, it allows you to grow more it allows you more individual growth. Gets? Mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo after multiple short-term relationships. Na, okay? So, parang, it's a place where you can like experiment. It's a place where you can explore, you can like,
well, yan naman sinasabi ng mga nag-short term eh.
para try lang.
Ganyan.
Tikim-tikim here and there.
Oo.
Diba?
Parang finding your taste, whatever.
So for me,
finding what fits, ganyan.
For me, it's not a red flag. Okay? Up until a certain point.
What's that certain point?
Okay. Up to a certain point where hindi mo na, paano ba? Hindi mo na sineseryoso. I'm contradicting myself here. But, red flag siya kapag, naglalaro ka lang the whole time. Gets?
Is it red flag then if, kunwari, di mo not necessarily naman na nakikita mo yung future mo with that person. But, red flag ba sa'yo if, let's say, you're just riding the tide na lang? Ganun. Parang wala kayong set na goal as a couple na, okay, ang end goal natin ay magpakasal, whatever. But, red flag din ba sa'yo if you're just riding it?
No.
Tapos parang parang wala lang, parang everyday na kayo, ganyan. Tapos, you're just, parang at the back of your mind, parang nagka-count ka ng days. Parang okay, kami pa rin today. Next month, pwedeng oo, pwedeng hindi.
Pero okay lang. Either way. For me, hindi siya red flag.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Not saying na yun yung trip ko. Ako kasi gusto ko long term eh. But, as objectively as I can be, it's not a red flag as long as you're genuine in your actions and your intention.
But, ayun nga.
Parang,
is there an intention to stay?
I mean, I think
or like, ano yung acceptable situation?
Kasi, for us, we were kind of like that. You were kind of like that. Ako, hindi. You were kind of like that early on.
I was not.
Sabi mo, parang, you like, go wherever the relationship takes us. Diba? Early on.
Yeah, but I didn't mean like that.
Oh.
Kasi ako, okay, ngayon,
Clarify.
ika-clarify ko ulit sa'yo. When I said yes, na kami na, I was not like, okay, baka next year, hindi na kami, ganyan.
Hindi naman. I'm just saying,
Knowing you, parang that's what I meant dun sa riding with the tide.
ako kasi nasisip ko when you ride the tide, it's like, you focus on the now.
Okay.
Parang, wala sa isip
Yeah,
mo
gets.
wala sa isip mo yung next year, next month,
Ah.
tomorrow, whatever. But, you're focused on the now. And for me, it's not a bad thing as long as genuine ka.
Dun sa now na yan.
Yeah. Kasi ayoko yung pumapasok ayoko yung mga kupal na papasok kasi bored. Tapos,
Oo.
parang, okay, pag
mag-ML ka na.
pag di na bored, break na tayo. Alam mo yun? Parang,
Oo.
you guys are wasting each other's time. You're also wasting each other's life energy.
If hindi kayo same ng intention.
If di kayo same na.
But if same naman kayo ng intentions and you're clear about it, di go. By all means, di ba?
Di ba parang 500 Days of Summer?
Oh.
Si Summer is like, well, gusto ko ng jowa, but ayoko ng long term, ha? Ayoko ng ayoko ng jowa. Sabi niya, gusto niya situationship lang. So for me, as long as you're genuine, it's fine. It's okay. But if malicious ka na, or like, you know, nasa intention mo,
Okay.
mabaho yung intention mo,
Okay.
yun yung red flag nun. Wag mong lokohin ng ibang tao, please.
Yeah, kasi wala lang. Sino ba niloloko mo, di ba? Sarili mo lang din.
Nag-iipon ka lang ng karma.
Oo, hindi. Tsaka yun din. Okay, that being said, what's your opinion naman on the people na hindi sila makaalis na sa relationship? Parang
Parang kilala ko yung isa. Parang alam ko yung sinasabi mo. Explain it. Okay, tapusin mo yung question.
Yung yung mga relationship na matagal na sila, oo. But like, yung parang, could it be a problem for you? Yung puro now ka lang. Puro now. Ako kasi, for me, it's a problem.
It's a problem.
Hindi, alam mo, tsaka siya, parang it will come to a point na parang, ba't ka ba nagsistay, ganyan? Or like, baka hindi ka lang maka-exit kasi for whatever reason, safe space mo na yung relationship.
Red flag yan. For me.
Red flag yan for you. Ako din, oo. Kasi for me, for you naman, di ba sa kanya, parang for you, yung authenticity.
Oo.
Parang if totoo ka, ganyan, and you're genuine about it, edi go. For me naman kasi, it's intention. Parang what's your intention in this relationship? If wala kang intention, then why are you here?
Okay. Gets. Okay, gets kita dyan. Parang, ano bang intention mo sa akin? Parang gano'n.
Oo, gano'n. Parang
ano ba, asaway mo ba in the future?
Kunwari, yung mga nagli-live-in ngayon. What are the odds na yung, kunwari, lahat ng live-in couples ngayon, yung two people na nasa relationship na yun, what are the odds na lahat sila nagkakasundo na gusto hanggang dun lang sila sa live-in na yun? Diba?
Ganda ng tanong.
Kasi yun nga, parang there's no problem naman in staying present.
Yeah.
Yung ngayon. Basta importante, masaya tayo today. But, hanggang kailan yung
Yes. Okay.
Kasi for me, red flag yun if you don't have intention.
Yes. Totoo yan. And, although, ang argument dyan would be, is that a problem for short-term relationships?
Feeling ko, hindi kasi isipin mo, parang it negates itself. Kasi if short term naman, ba't ka magsistay ng...
Kasi pag short term,
oo, pag short term
yung
kasi,
intention, it's not that big of a deal eh.
Kunwari, if short term, growth, exploration, yun na yun.
Parang, for me, pag short term kasi, as long as you're genuine in it, na I'm here to like, love you, for X amount of time.
Yeah, and then pag hindi na, if it's not like that anymore, edi wala na, bye-bye, next.
Yeah. So, okay lang yun.
Thank you, next, ganun.
Pero pag ang tanong kasi is intention, and clear, goals and shit,
kasi,
that's no longer for short-term shit.
Ang daming couples na ganyan. Parang nagsistay sila kasi, wala. Let's say, favorite person na nila yung yung karelasyon nila, diba? But like, dude.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah. Kasi, Ano, parang dito papatak yung ano eh,
Ah.
yung tanong na how committed are you?
Oh.
Yun kasi yung differentiating factor between short-term relationships and long-term relationships. It's the commitment.
Oo.
It's the intention. It's the outright intention to stay and
Mm.
commit to the relationship long term.
Yeah,
Na alam mo,
tsaka
endgame tayo. We work towards this.
oo, tsaka
We do everything
yeah.
towards that fucking goal. I compromise, you
Yeah.
compromise. 'Di ba?
In short, napagdedesisyon naman 'yun.
Oh, kasi ganito yan. If feeling mo, you're transitioning into that phase na halimbawa, may girlfriend ka, may boyfriend ka, and, you know, nasa 1 year na kayo, 2 years na kayo. Okay, hot take. How long should the relationship be to be classified as long term?
Long term.
Parang kailan, at what point in
Pag
the
nag
relationship
pag
should you
nagtaon.
guys, pag nagtaon, as
Oo.
kahit 1 year?
Oo. Oo,
Okay.
be. Kasi isipin mo, if 1 year kayo, short term pa ba 'yun if ang kasama mo buong taon ay yung person na 'yun?
Yes. Totoo yun.
Tsaka if everyone kunwari mag-break kayo, 1 year kunwari let's say 1 year kayo tapos nag-break kayo. Sobrang easy mo bang makakalimutan yung isang taon na 'yun, 'di ba hindi?
Totoo.
Tsaka ang daming mangyari sa loob ng 1 year.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a
Sige.
lot of changes a person goes
So,
through in a
long term
year.
na sa'yo ang 1 year.
Oo.
Okay. For me medyo mahaba.
Really?
3. 3.
Hawa nga.
Kasi ano eh, parang first year,
Baka it's a thing with, I mean, baka consider dyan yung age.
what do you mean?
Kunwari, syempre, if you start young, katulad natin, syempre yung long term doon is 3.
Oo.
Kasi kasama yung growth dun eh.
Oo, pwede naman.
Maturity.
Pero I'm not the one to say that kasi I'm just, early 20s. So,
Yeah.
but I think important, parang dito na magkakaroon ng puksaan eh. Gets? Parang this is where the transition from short-term to long-term relationships happen. Kapag may nagtanong na sa inyo, anong gusto mong mangyari sa atin in the future?
Yeah.
Kapag di kayo nagkatugma, dyan, just fucking leave. Stop wasting each other's time.
Feeling ko naman, for me naman, if
Oo.
hindi kayo same ng answer doon, feeling ko it's not super wrong
To
to
continue.
to give each other time.
Okay.
But syempre, it's not, hindi siya dapat indefinite.
Dapat
Kasi
may
parang,
deadline.
parang respect yourself din naman. If yun talaga yung gusto mo, tas magsisettle ka with the person na hindi naman yun yung gusto, then,
Yeah.
what
Para
are you
tanga lang.
serving, di ba?
Dead end na yun kasi.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Anyway, yun.
So,
Hindi kasi, in another note, feeling ko, kunwari for us, kaya may mga taong hindi makaalis sa long-term relationships kahit hindi naman sila aligned ng partner nila is because sa sobrang tagal nila, parang
well, that's their way of life na eh.
Hindi, tsaka there's this fear of starting over. Parang,
Ah.
pag umalis ba ako dito, anong guarantee ko na I'm gonna find someone else? Ganyan. Or like, may papadol pa ba sa akin knowing na ganito kami katagal ng partner ko? Pare kami.
Funny nung, imagine nag-break tayo.
Oo.
Knock on wood. Pero I don't think that's gonna happen.
Kasi, tagal na kami.
Imagine nag-break tayo, tapos makipag-date ka.
Imagine mo
Tapos
first date.
uy, musta? Tawag dito, nagka-jowa ka na ba? Ganyan. How long was your last jowa? Tapos sabihin mo,
Sabi mo 7 years.
7 years. Ay! Sino ba yan? Chat natin gusto mo. Tulungan ko kayo magkabalik.
Ayun nga, parang, alam mo yun, walang guarantee kasi na if you go out of that long-term relationship, may papatol ba sa'yo or like makakahanap ka pa ng someone.
Meron yan. Nothing's impossible.
Oo.
But, again,
the odds of finding that person.
it's hard.
Oo.
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah, kaya gets ko yung fear of like starting over.
Mahirapan din yung next partner mo.
Mahirapan yung next partner mo, mahirapan ka din. Kasi syempre, parang there's so much in you that's
Part of
left.
me.
Oo.
Diba?
Hindi naman left, but like there's gonna be so much in you na
It's because of your ex.
influenced by your past partner.
Wag na tayo. Wag na tayo mag-break. That's the
Well,
easiest.
ang long term, ang intention ko dito ay kasal.
Diba? So, that's the easiest.
Well, magkasundo naman kami doon, so.
Yeah.